Right. So let me share my screen. Cancel my screen, right? Let me open VS Code. So I think there's no new project, but then I can just create, let's see, HTML. I don't know. So let's open this, and then we have this, right? So I'm just going to name index.html, and then so let me generate. Oh, sorry, this is not React. So generated this, and then this is it now. So I'm going to open it to live server, so you can see it right here. It is empty. So we can just pin up something here and just pull like a text here. So adding fonts to your HTML project. Yeah. So you can see it's going to use your laptop default font. I think this is Georgia by default. I'm not sure. Then, so mostly you can just go to font.google.com, and then so select any font you want to add. So there are a lot of fonts here that you can actually add. So if I should come here to the edge, right, and I put style. So let's say I want to style the body. So and I say, so if I should say font family, right, automatically there are some fonts that you can use. Yeah. So I don't know what this thing is suggesting. Maybe because font family, you can see this font that VS Code is suggesting now. Okay. Yes. Yeah, so you can just select any of it and then it's going to actually work. You can see it has changed. So you can see like all these fonts. This is actually looking good too. So if you want something different, and then you just come here and say font size. So I don't know. So let's just type it again. So font family. You can see this one that VS Code is suggesting, right? Yes. So you can use any of it, and then if you click on this system UI, it's just going to look at this other font, and then it's going to look at the way it looks. But then if you want something that is beautiful, then you can literally go to Google Fonts and then pick any one you want. So this is Roboto, this is Open Sans. So you look at a lot of font that you want. So let's just pick one. So let's pick this Lato, right? So when you keep this Lato, you're going to see something like get font there. So when you click on this get font, you come here, click on this get embedded code. Now when you click on this get embedded code, there are two ways that you can actually add it. Since we are building web, so you can just copy this and then come to the top of your HTML and then paste it in there. And then if you have a CSS file, let's just say we have a CSS file. You have a CSS file, right? So let's create this CSS, right? And then you want to add your font through the CSS. So you're going to use this import directory here. So you copy it and then paste it. Either way, it's still going to work. And you can add it, paste it directly in your HTML too. You just paste inside this tag. Inside this tag. You paste inside this tag, it's going to work. So for it to work now, you see you have to add this font family to it. So you copy this font family and then you paste it. You paste it there. You say body and then you paste it. Oh, I think I didn't copy that. So paste it and then your font family enter. So if you come back here, you see it's now enter. So when you come to, if you want to confirm, you come here and inspect it. So when you inspect, come to your element here, and then let me put it down here so you can see it very well. So you come to your elements, come down here. So if you select this on body, and then you can come here. It's not showing. I don't know why it's not showing completed. Ah, Wait, let me just put this inside each one first. Okay, and then I come here. It should show you. You can see it now. You can see the font
Yeah.
family showing here enter both. So the font family is enter. So if you had another font, let's say we come here now and say H3, H4 and say this is another font, and then we come here to our style. Let me remove this style here, and then I come to our CSS and do H4, and then say font family. So and I use one of these things that CSS is suggesting. So if I should come here and I inspect this one here, you can see the font family is different. Here you get.
Yeah.
So it's not using this Intel. So that's just the easy way to add fonts to your project. So you just come to this place and then you are good to go. So that's all. So
Thank you very
to
much.
that your project now, you could just add any of these fonts to it. So you can
Okay.
go to Google Fonts. You can look for Poppins. Poppins is actually cool. Then we look for Poppins. The same way you add it. So if you're adding one or two fonts, you can just click on get. So you can add one or two fonts and use them. So this is how you add the Lato, this is how you add the Inter, and this is how you add. You look for the CSS. So they have different weight and not. But if you copy everything and then you want to like add it, just copy this one, paste it. So you can add font to it and for your font style. So italic and all those stuff too. So you can add multiple fonts. So let's say you want to use like 4 combination of different fonts now, and then you come here
Okay.
and then you can see add this one. You can see this number is increasing. It's now 3. So if you want to delete some, you can just come here and delete it. If you don't want everything, and you can see it's reducing. And if you want to remove everything, so you can easily just select as many fonts as you add as you want, and then copy everything and paste it in your opinion. So that's all.